Imagine this. You or a loved one get admitted to a hospital and you think your health insurance policy will take care of everything. But then you realize OPD visits, maternity, baby care, consumables, even emergency airlift are not always covered in regular health plans. Now, what if I told you there is a health insurance plan that not only covers these but also lets you design it exactly the way you want? And that's exactly what the Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare Plan offers. Hi, I'm Mariam and I represent Policy Hub, where our only goal is to make insurance simple, stress free, and something you can actually understand. In today's video, I will explain what the My Healthcare Plan is, who it means for, and why it might be one of the most flexible health insurance policy in India today. So let's start with who can buy Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare Plan. So first, adults can take it 18 years to 65 years. Children are covered 3 months up to 30 years under a floater plan, and you can even cover dependent parents, in-laws, siblings, aunts, uncles, and grandchildren. And yes, it's available both as an individual and family floater policy. And after this, there will be no medical test required up to the age of 45 years for any sum insured. And from 46 years onwards, a tele EMR will be conducted for sum insured between 5 lakh to 50 lakh. And for policies with less than 5 lakh or above 50 lakh sum insured, specific medical tests will be required, as you can see it on the screen. And the sum insured options start at rupees 5 lakh and go all the way up to rupees 5 crore, which gives you a huge range depending on your needs and budget. The policy periods can be 1 year, 2 year, or maximum 3 years. Now let's discuss its unique feature that make this plan truly stand out. So the first is unlimited reinstatement of sum insured. So if your base cover get exhausted, it restores again and again. Another is OPD benefit up to twice the premium paid. And another is maternity cover for sum insured of 5 lakh and above with coverage for surrogacy and assisted reproductive procedures. Baby care cover for newborn, hospitalization expenses are covered. Home nursing cover built in for up to 10 weeks. And option to add international coverage for emergency abroad. And you will get 50% cumulative bonus every claim free year up to 100%. My healthcare plan covers everything you had expect and more. It covers inpatient hospitalization including room rent, ICU charges, etc. And it covers pre and post hospitalization expenses as well for 60 days and 90 days. And rather than this plan covers modern treatments and advanced technology procedures, daycare procedures, ICU hospitalization, organ donor expenses, all are covered up to the sum insured. If we talk about the ambulance expenses, then road ambulance and even air ambulance cover for life-threatening emergencies above certain sum insured levels. Consumables like gloves, masks, and syringes are also covered, which most plans exclude. Plus, domiciliary hospitalization, if treatment has to be taken at home, is also covered under this plan. And on top of that, Bajaj Allianz gives you an optional add-ons like loss of income cover. So if you are hospitalized, you get a weekly payout to support your family. Another optional cover is major illnesses and accident multiplier. It double your cover for critical illnesses like cancer, heart surgeries, kidney failure, and etc. Another add-on is international emergency cover. It covers hospitalization abroad for emergency only. And as per my opinion, most health insurance plan cover hospitalization expenses and its related expenses, but Bajaj Allianz My Healthcare Plan goes way beyond that. It's one of the few plans that combines hospitalization expenses, maternity, baby care, OPD, consumables, and even international emergencies all in one policy. It's designed for people who want customization, high coverage, and long-term peace of mind. So if you are planning to secure your family's health with flexibility, this plan deserves serious consideration. And before you make any decision, remember, don't spend thousands of premium without clarity. Book a free call with Policy Hub IRD certified experts, and the link is given in the description, and we will guide you step by step to choose the right health insurance plan for your family. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to Policy Hub for more simple and honest explanation of health insurance. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.